Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Please stand and join me in a pledge of allegiance and a moment of silence.
Stand, salute, pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Today is Thursday, October 27th.
Today's weather for October 27th. High of 72, low of 52, mainly sunny, and a 7% chance of rain.
Today's breakfast: Frutal strudel, yogurt, fruit choice, juice choice. Lunchtime: red beans and rice, sausage, collard beans, cornbread, fruit of choice, and juice of choice.
Today's announcements: PST, we will conduct PST meetings on Tuesday and Wednesday. Please have all documentation ready prior to the meeting. Read for the record is today, October 27th. We have many special guests coming to read to your students. Please make sure that your classroom is presentable for all guests. Remind your students of expectations for behavior when guests are on campus. Today's late duty is Miss Trevor.
Red Ribbon Week. October 27th. Do not get tied down to drugs. Wear tie-dye shirt with uniform pants. October 28th. Drug free. Looks like me. As dressed as your favorite book character. School appropriate.
Important dates: October 24th through 28th, Red Ribbon Week. October 27th, read for the record. October 28th, Feel Good Friday, book character dress up. November 2nd, no tardy party for students with no tardies or early dismissals during the month of October. November 11th, Veterans Day, no school. November 16th, PACE field trip. November 21st through 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school.
Thursday's birthday: Emily Tucum.
Congratulations to the Kate Shepherd scholars who made the archery team. Parrish, Willow, Aiden, Olivia, Morgan, Sebastian, Jaden, Gage, Lauren, Naomi, Hayden, Mercedes, Tiana, Cedric, Michael, Jasper, Jackson, Havis, Rowan, and Mary. Sorry if I pronounced any of your names wrong.
Send us your questions. Are you curious about something? Always wondering how something works? Send us your question and it may be chosen for our question of the day to be answered by our research team. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
Question of the day. Thank you for Miss Overstreet's class that answered this question. What was the first dinosaur? Cohen and Dajan found the answer. The first dinosaur was the Navisis. That means Lake Navisis lizard. The first fossil was discovered near Lake Navisis in Timevin.
That's all for today's news. Have a happy Thursday.